the mighty Father, for the love He daily brought us, and just keep moving on, and He will make you strong. You know by the end of this song, let go and let God be strong.
Brothers and sisters, let's be alone and give Him the praise and glory for what He has done. For you and for me, for our family, let's lift up His mighty name and everybody sing. So let's show Him some love and not sin in His way. Let's sing to the mighty Father for that He has reigned and loved eternally. He fighting for our King. Thanks for the blessing, your true majesty. Santa Maharu, Ile Mauta, Ile Mauta, Ile Mauta.